Adjective. What is adjectives? Adjectives is a describing word. It qualifies a noun. For example, rose is a beautiful flower. Beautiful is adjective. Flower, noun. The word flower is qualified by the adjectives beautiful. 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. How to form 3 degrees of comparison? In monosyllabic adjective, end with consonant vowel consonant, double the last consonant, and add er to form comparative degree, and add est to form superlative degree. For example, big is a monosyllabic adjective. B is consonant, I is vowel, G is consonant. It ends with consonant, vowel, consonant. To form comparative degree, we double the G and add er. Bigger. To form superlative degree, double the consonant G and add est. Biggest. Other example: fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Hot, hotter, hottest. In monosyllabic adjectives, add er to form comparative degree and add est to form superlative degree. For example, clean is monosyllabic adjective. You add er to form comparative degree, cleaner. You add est to form superlative degree, cleanest. Other examples: old, older, oldest. Proud, prouder, proudest. Sharp, sharper, sharpest. Strong, stronger, strongest. In monosyllabic adjectives, end with e, add r to form comparative degree and add st to form superlative degree. For example, wise is a monosyllabic adjective. It ends with e. You add r to form comparative degree, wiser. You add st. Add st to form superlative degree, wisest. Other example: noble, nobler, noblest. Safe, safer, safest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. In disyllabic adjectives, end y, remove y, add ier to form comparative degree and add iest to form superlative degree. For example, EC is disyllabic word, EC. Y gives vowel sound. Y is a consonant, but it gives a vowel sound. So, EC have double vowel sound. So, it is disyllabic word. Remove the y and add ier to form comparative degree, easier. Remove y and add iest to form superlative degree. Other example: lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Petty, pettier, pettiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Except monosyllabic adjectives in die, dry, polysyllabic adjectives add more to form comparative degree and add most to form superlative degree. For example, beautiful is trisyllabic word. Beautiful. To form comparative degree, we add more to beautiful, form more beautiful. To add superlative degree, we add most to beautiful, form most beautiful. Famous is disyllabic word, fam, as. To form comparative degree, we add more to famous, form more famous. To form superlative degree, we add most to famous, form most famous. Important. Important is dry syllabic word. To form comparative degree, we add more to important, form more important. To form superlative degree, we add most to important. Active is disyllabic word. To form comparative degree, we add more to active. To form superlative degree, we add most to active. Fascinating. Fascinating is polysyllabic word. Fascinating. To form comparative degree, we add more to fascinating. And add superlative degree, we add most to fascinating. Exception. Clever is a disyllabic word, but we don't add more to clever. We add er to clever to form comparative degree. We don't add most to clever to form superlative degree. We add est to form superlative degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. In irregular adjectives, spellings are changed to form comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, good, well, better, best, ill, bad, worse, worst, much, many, more, most, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest, late, later, last, some, more, most. Three types of comparison in adjectives. Positive degree. It is used to describe one thing or compare two or more things in equal quality. Elephant is a big animal. The adjective big describes the animal. Rani is as tall as Ratna. Rani is compared to Ratna. Both of them are equal in quality. So we use the positive degree. The phrase as tall as is used to describe positive degree. Sumati is not so wise as Sugasini. Here Sumati is compared to Sugasini. The word not indicate both of them are not equal in quality. So we use the phrase not so wise as to describe positive degree. No other girl in class is as pretty as Revati. The phrase no other girl indicates positive degree. So we use the phrase as pretty as to describe positive degree. Girl is singular, so we use the singular verb is. Very few girls in the class are as clever as Mamadi. Very few girls indicate positive degree. So we use the phrase as clever as to indicate positive degree. Here Mamadi is compared to a few girls. Comparative degree. It is used to compare two or more things in unequal quality. Honda bike is heavier than scooty. Here Honda is compared to scooty. They are not equal in quality. So we use comparative degree. The phrase heavier than indicates the comparative degree. Our volleyball team is stronger than any other team. The phrase any other team indicate it is comparative degree. So we use the phrase stronger than to indicate comparative degree. Team is collective noun. it is singular, so we use the singular verb is. Lily is more active than many other girls in the class. The phrase many other girls indicate it is comparative degree. So, we use the phrase more active than to indicate comparative degree. Lily is singular, so we use the singular verb is. Superlative degree. It is used to describe superior thing and used to compare many things. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mountain in the world indicate it is superlative degree. So we use the phrase the highest to indicate superlative degree. Here Mount Everest is compared to all the mountain in the world. Sangeeta is the best girl in the class. Girl in the class indicates superlative degree. So we use the phrase the best to indicate superlative degree. Sangeeta is compared to all the girls in the class. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The phrase birds in the world indicate it is superlative degree. So we use the phrase one of the most beautiful to indicate superlative degree. Birds is plural. So we use the phrase one of the before most beautiful. Peacock is singular, so we use the singular verb is. Here peacock is compared to the few birds in the world. More examples. Very few cities in India are as populous as Mumbai. Very few cities indicate it is positive degree. So we use the phrase as populous as to indicate positive degree. Mumbai is more populous than many other cities in India. Many other cities indicate it is positive degree. So we use the phrase more populous than to indicate comparative degree. Mumbai is one of the most populous cities in India. Cities in India indicate it is superlative degree. So we use the phrase one of the most populous to indicate superlative degree. Cities is plural, so we use the phrase one of the before most populous. No other girl in the class is as sharp as Ranjani. The phrase no other girl indicate positive degree. So we use the phrase as sharp as to indicate positive degree. Here Ranjani is compared to the girls in the class. No indicate Ranjani and the class students are not in equal quality. Ranjani is sharper than any other girl in the class. The phrase any other girl indicates comparative degree. So we use the phrase sharper than to indicate comparative degree. Ranjani is the sharpest girl in the class. Girl in the class indicates superlative degree. So we use the phrase the sharpest to indicate superlative degree. Here Ranjani is compared to all the girls in the class. Earth is larger than the moon. Here Earth is compared to the moon. Both of them are not equal in quality. So we use the comparative degree. The phrase larger than indicate comparative degree. Moon is not so large as the Earth. Here moon and earth are compared, but they are not in equal quality. The not indicates they are not in equal in quality. Not so large as indicate the positive degree. This pen is as fine as that pen. Two pens are compared. Two pens are equal in quality. So we use the positive degree as fineness. This pen is finer than that pen. Here two pens are not in equal quality. So we use comparative degree. The phrase finer than indicate comparative degree.